All right, here we come to the elevator at the old historic Stockyard Hotel in Fort Worth, Texas. Finally, I get to revisit back here 14 years later. If you guys remember my old video from way back in time, you may recognize this elevator. Anyways, this is the old historic tastefully modernized elevator that replaced an original old Otis manual controlled elevator. This is a much needed updated take. I've been dying to come here. Look at this, y'all. Coming up, sir? What floor?
Third. You staying in the hotel?
No, I'm just appreciating this old historically preserved elevator. I talked to the front desk and
Okay.
and they gave me permission.
No problem.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day. Now that was a friendly employee. Anyways, we'll get a detailed cab view. Although the fan is on, but thankfully not as loud enough, and you're still able to hear the motor through that fan. But this is a beautifully preserved elevator, even though it was fully replaced. And look at this crank right here. Even though, oh, look at this, you can still turn, you can turn it to the right, but unfortunately you can't turn to the left. See, this is all what they preserved, although they replaced the whole elevator. They did a really great job preserving this thing. Anyways, these are your Adams fixtures, and it's made by, sorry for the shakes, EMCO elevator. I first thought it was a Montgomery because of that indicator that looked exactly like the one at Washington County Courthouse in Brenham, Texas. I've seen a lot of EMCO elevators through Hanny's video based in El Paso. EMCO was very common in El Paso. I've seen from Elevator Times video. Anyways, let's go on to one. Unfortunately, that indicator is burned out. I mean, that maintenance guy that employee was really nice. I also do want to give big credit to the front desk staff for letting me appreciate this elevator. And notice how the light flickers when the elevator jerks to a stop. Also, I originally thought it was a Montgomery. Doesn't that door track look like a Montgomery or anything? Because it kind of does. Anyways, I tell you what we're going to do. For one more trip, I'm going to pretend like I'm running the elevator, but like I'm running the elevator manually, but not doing that. Like I taught Julian this. So we'll go for one more ride. Goodness, these doors are rough. All right. And here we go. Oh, it's hard to turn back. All right, let's go back down to one end there. I don't want to make any more noises with this thing that I already did. Let's get one last view of this display crank right here. Re-levels. All right, here we are. We're gonna wait for it to close. And with that being said, I'm sorry I have to talk over the music, but that was your HD take on this elevator. There it goes, and that's it.